I wish to support the girls by ensuring that we continue to put in structures and continue to put in systems that will continue to enhance the value of their participation in these competitions. Your Excellency, WAFCON is a big deal for us. As the girls head to Morocco on this week, later on this week, they'll be playing the host country on the 26th. They'll be playing Senegal. They will be playing Algeria in the group stages. And as you've heard, that is the group of death. But I want to remind all of us that when we were drawn against the giants of African football during last year's CHAN, we were able to show the rest of the world that Kenya is also a football powerhouse. You remember we went all the way to the quarterfinals, and we managed to make our country proud despite being in the group of death. So I'm very confident to the starlets, to the Harambee starlets, that you will be able to succeed come WAFCON later on this month. And Your Excellency, WAFCON for us is so important and critical because it is also World Cup qualifier for the senior team. And not if, God willing, as we say inshallah, when they make it to the semi-finals, they automatically qualify for World Cup for the senior team. I know with the right motivation, this team has the capacity to go all the way to the semi-finals of WAFCON. For the starlets, so it is a big deal. For the Harambee Junior Starlets, Your Excellency, for the first time, we had a record number of fans. It has never been witnessed at Nyayo Stadium. Over 20,000 people came out you saw on the clip, it was amazing, it was phenomenal, and that shows us that football, especially women football, is on the rise. For the first time, Your Excellency, since we took over this administration, the Women Premier League has never had a sponsor, has never had prize money. Courtesy to your intervention through Cape Media, there were sponsors for the FIFA series, which was again the first women FIFA tournament in the world. The first ever, the inaugural FIFA women tournament in the world was hosted in Kenya. And that is no mean feat. We were able to mobilize resources that enabled the WPL to now get prize money for the first time in our local league. So women football is on the rise. You're performing very well, and we are going to support you all the way. During this WAFCON, Your Excellency, we also have 3 referees from Kenya who will be participating at the WAFCON. We have Peter Waweru, Josephine Wanjiru, and Elizabeth Njoroge, who will be at the WAFCON competitions this month and next month, as well as the competition goes into August. Congratulations to all of you. Your Excellency, today there's something that is very close to our heart, and it's something I want to speak about passionately. For very long, since independence, Kenya has never prioritized sports, and that's a fact. This is the first administration under your presidency, the first government that has invested considerable amounts of resources into development of sports infrastructure. Since independence, we've never witnessed this. Over 30 facilities, sports facilities across the country are being built today. And Your Excellency, as you build that hardware, as you build these facilities across in every county, they will mean little if there's no software to operate in that hardware. And the software is the leagues and competitions at the grassroots. It is the leagues at the top, the SportPesa League. And yesterday, I witnessed you supporting Migori. Migori is one of the community clubs that is now coming from county to the nationals, to the SportPesa League, the top league in the country. We have 2 other teams. Mombasa United is now coming to the Premier League, to the SportPesa League. You have 3KFC from Embu also coming to the top league. We have more community clubs coming to the top league. So as Your Excellency, you're building this infrastructure, as a federation, together with the government. And I wish to thank my brother CS Salim Vuria and PS Elijah. And my brother Nu Ibrahim, I saw him somewhere here from the Sports Fund, for the work that they have put in to support the federation. The CS has been in the front line to build FKF and to help us achieve our objectives. I want to speak directly to the millions of youth out there in the rest of the country. His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, has built the facilities for us. There is no other government that has invested in creative economy for the youth. Millions and millions of you will be touched directly by this. It is a unique moment in our history that we are seeing this kind of development in creative economy sector and in the sports sector. And I give you assurances, Your Excellency, that today we will do everything in our power to ensure that the software is right, that we commercialize the sport and bring resources to the pockets of our footballers across this nation. Mine is to say hongera to the starlets, hongera to the junior starlets for what you have achieved. We are behind you 100%. We will be with you along this journey, and we want to make these qualifications the norm. It is not going to be a unique situation moving forward. This will be the norm for us to continue succeeding. AFCON is around the corner, 2027. We are preparing Harambee Stars. We will put everything behind them as well, with your support, Your Excellency. And for me, my only request is, as we build the software as well, we also have a little bit of a hardware request. I inherited a shell of an institution. Everybody knows this. It's not a secret. And we are trying to renovate our offices to give some dignity to our working environment. And if there's anything that can be done in that regard, as we support the teams, we would like some support to build our institution by giving dignity to our offices. So any support we can get in that regard, we'll be very grateful. With those very many or very few remarks, I say thank you very much. May God bless you. May God continue to give you the wisdom to continue investing in sports, and to the youth all over this country. Please, this is your moment. Grab it. Let's run with it. Millions of us can make that difference. So let's not lose this opportunity. Thank you very much. God bless you all.